me see. You're Harry Potter. Oh. Oh. You want to fight me? I'll fight you, young whippersnapper. Ah, you think you're strong with that weapon? I would kick you in the head. Oh, nice one. Into the groin area. Ah, that's actually scaring me a little bit. Oh, yes. Ow. Brett Favre. No, he's just depressed.